Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy Monday to you. I'm going to do a pattern called Arukas by it's a Molly Hollabaugh. It's one of the official Zen Tangles. Um, Super easy to do, and I just felt like doing it. We're going to do a circle, and then coming out from the circle, we're going to make some rays that are have two lines, right? And then I don't know why they put this way, but anyway, then we go over here and we do another aura that circle, and then we aura these lines, and then we aura the circle, and then we aura the lines, and so forth and so on until you get this shape. It's a pretty simple, straightforward one. I got the image off of Pinterest. I'm going to turn on my light so I can see, so you can see better. I'm going to do with a silver pen, I think. I think that's what I want to do. That is not a scrap piece of paper. I need a scrap piece of paper. My desk is such a mess. Okay. And I think I don't want to go all the way to the edge. Let me gently make a, you know what, I'm going to make a, I was going to measure a border, but no, I've changed my mind. I'm going to use my brush pen, any of my brush pens. Hello, brush pen, where are you? This one will do. I'm going to make myself a quick and soft border like that. And now I'm going to put this shape maybe about here. And then we're going to go outward. 2 lines. Like this. Oop, it's starting to skip. Hope we're not running out of ink. Oh, I am. Gosh darn it, I didn't look. I'm out of ink. Okay, one more line. Maybe I can get enough juice out of this. One more line. Do I have another silver pen? I don't think I do. Nope. I have more white pens. Guess I'm doing it in white. Okay, my base is in silver, and the rest is going to be in white. That silver pen is done. I need to buy a new silver pen. Make sure this is drawing. That doesn't seem to want to draw. Why is nothing cooperating today? This might also be... No, that doesn't look like it's empty. Okay, let's try that. All right, then we aura. Like that. Let me zoom in. You can see better. And then someone suggested a brand of like a fluorescent jelly roll that I should try. It works really good on dark paper. to see if I get it as a gift. Put it on my gift list. If I don't get it as a gift, I'll have to hunt some down so I can try it, because it sounds like it would be fun. And do some more stuff on darker paper. And then go around the circle again. And then straight lines again. It's not a difficult pattern. You just keep building. I think I should have had a bigger circle in the middle to start with, but that's okay. I didn't really look to see how big the circle was in comparison to everything else. I think I didn't make my circle big enough, because these lines are coming together sooner than the lines that she had in her sample. That's all right. I do like the lines on this paper though. Looks cool. This is a lot like, except for that it's in a circle, it's a lot like the pattern called Hurry. It's also one of these where you end up with something similar to this. And it's not a difficult pattern. If you remember which one you start at, you'll always be able to stop with the right thing. Always starting at this one at the top. Okay, let me do a question. If you could have been a jury member in any court case in history, which trial would you have chosen? I don't really follow court cases, so none spring to mind. Anybody else out there? You got a court case that you would have liked to have been a jury on? Nothing springs to mind. Really, nothing springs to mind. You guys need to help me out. Tell me in the comments below which this one, there's no more room there. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to skip that one. That one's like closed. It's done. Yeah, leave a comment and see if there was anything that you would want to have been part of. Nothing springs to mind. That one's basically done. Maybe I'll do one more. Here. That one's done. That one. Okay. One more tiny little bit there, tiny little bit there. That one's finished. Tiny little bit there. That one's finished. That one's finished. Now that one's done. So then I need a little bit right here and right here. So we're just doing this one. I'm just going until it comes to a point there where those ones one more. Uh-oh. I felt that. My finger was in it. Okay. Oops. Did you see what I was doing? Probably not. I like that. I like the way that looks. Okay. How do I want it to live, though? I think I want it to live like that. I really like that composition. So we're going to try to sign my name. I think I've done this pattern before, long time ago on my channel. I'll have to look it up and see if I can find it. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video where I will continue on with this little gal. Let me write this down so I don't forget what name this was. Arukas. Put that on my calendar. We are quickly zooming towards the next month, aren't we? We just have a couple more days left of this month. I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day, and I will be back. Bye-bye.